Hello guys, here again with 16 here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own, I'm going to teach you how to do code in C# in Visual Studio. Now, I am a very beginner at this. Last week I never knew at all how to code, so we are really learning together. There is a video online, a good 6-hour video here. I am only 3 hours into it, and it's basically someone who works for Microsoft, who basically teaches people who don't know how to code to get into code very quickly so they can get a job. He will say that a lot on that long video. So yeah, this is what we made last episode, and I am just going to show you how to make this one. Now we just want to go and File, New, and then Project. Same as last time, Visual C# console application, and then we'll name this MyName. We are going to keep it in the same folder as last time and press OK. Now this one is slightly different to last time. It does kind of work the same way, but just has a little bit extra code and gives you a little bit more of an understanding on how this type of code works. So first of all, we're just going to make a new string, and this string is going to be called MyName. So now, as you can see here, I've put a capital N for the name and kept the small m on my. Basically, a lot of programmers these days, that's what they do. I think that you should get in the hang of this as well. This is what this guy also will tell you a lot. Well, in one of his things, basically get used to doing this, right? So I'm just going to make another string, and this is going to be called my first name. See, I've kept the small m. Basically, the first word in every string is normally not a capital, so lowercase. But then the beginning of other words in the rest of that is normally capitals, if that makes any sense. So I'm going to make a new string again, and this is going to be called my second name. So now let's get into the main part of the code. Basically what we're going to do is we're going to type up something that sets what our first name and second name is. So I'm just going to say my first name is equal to, my name is Ben, so I'm just going to make it Ben. I'm not going to share my second name because I don't want to. And then I'm going to make my second name. I know. So basically this is going to be equal to H, because that's all I want to do it. And I'm just going to show you something. Well, no, I'll do it later, because that's the beginning letter of my name. Obviously you can do the full of your second name. So let's say it was, I'm going to use someone famous for this. I had someone in my head who I was going to share with this tutorial. I think I pressed a button on my keyboard then, which I shouldn't have. Let's say it's Ron Weasley out of Harry Potter. Obviously the first name would be Ron and the second name would be Weasley. Now I know that there's something wrong with this first name, but I'm just going to share something with you. So now I'm just going to do my name which I have separated. You don't have to. MyName. I don't know what I've done there, but it's wrong apparently. And then this is going to be equal to my first name so we're using that here, and then it's going to be add my second name. I'm just going to fix that, there we go. And then if we put the semicolon on the end, basically this is just saying my name, saying that my name is Ben. So that's basically Ben. We could really replace that and just say Ben. And my second name is H. So I'm just going to do console. Wait, I'm just going to show you something. Now, you can see that a box opens below. Later this is going to become your best friend. So now if the word that you're looking for comes up, just press enter or the next letter that you want to do. So my next letter is dot. Dot, and it automatically does it for you. Right line. Right. And then this is going to be my name. Whoa, 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 whoa. This is case sensitive, so make sure you spell it exactly like how you have before. So now, how is the box going to state? As we've seen in the last episode, I need to do a console.readline. Console.readline. There we go. So now, if we started this, let's try it. It says Ben H with no space. So here's a nice little trick. On your first name, or even on your at the beginning of your second name, either at the end of your first name or the beginning of your second name, I'm going to do at the end of my first name, just put a space, because then if we run that now, it's going to actually put a space in, as you can see there. So basically, I'm just going to explain this. There's the string, as we've seen in the last episode, that's called first name. Yeah, it goes right the way through. And then we've gotten, let's say here, we've gotten the string my first name and put my name in it. Then I've gotten my second name and put my second name in it. Whoa, whoa, just undo that. There we go. And then we've gotten my name and put my first name and my second name put together, so that it's like connected, if you know what I mean. Like, so instead of it being separate, it's connected. And then, as we've seen in the last episode, it's console.writeline and console.readline to keep the window open. So we've seen this run, as we can see here, we've seen it run. Just unpin that actually. But how can I change this? How can I change this to something else? Well, I'm just going to comment out this. I'm just going to comment out that. Now, it's not going to understand these because it doesn't understand these words. So, to replace them, what I can do is just delete my first name and put two speech marks and put Ben and put the space in again, otherwise it'll put them both there. And then do the same with my second name, just make it H. So then it should work exactly the same. There we go. So there are many ways that you can program, because as you've just seen, I've just done two ways with you to do exactly the same thing really. So we'll do technically two different pieces of code to do exactly the same thing. Now, just a little heads up on this, just in case I'm not sure we will be, but just in case, make sure you do save these exactly how I've done them, in case we're going to come back to them later. I doubt we will, but just in case, make sure you've saved them and everything. And yeah, I guess I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.